Welcome back. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are back in Venice, in the Castello district, very close to the church of Greci and San Lorenzo. I am gonna show you a little gem in this beautiful city. Come with me. And here we are by the property. It is on this beautiful white building right behind me, and the building is dating back to the 1600s. One of the most fascinating features about this property is that it has its own private bridge. Let's go inside. This building has been fully restored from the foundation to the roof. Let's go inside and I will show you an incredible entrance room. Have a look at this incredible internal courtyard. It is fully restored and full of beautiful details. From here, you can see the three accesses to the property. The main access from the bridge. Then there is the water access, from which you can get to with your own boat or with a boat taxi. Come inside and go to your apartment. And then there is a third access through this door. Another characteristic that I love about this courtyard is that it has this opening right above me from which so much light shines through. Then there is this well, and through this door you get to a storage room which could also be used as a laundry. The property also has both elevator and stairs. Let's go upstairs. And here we are on the first floor of the building. This is the piano nobile. Let's now go inside the apartment. The first thing you notice as soon as you walk in is that there is so much light shining through. In fact, there is the light from this window, which is from the entrance courtyard. And then from these windows on my right, there is light coming from another courtyard. This is the living room, which is beautiful because it has, just like everywhere else in the property, this original restored Venetian floor, which is something very precious to have in a property. Here there is, of course, the sitting area, and on my right, the kitchen. Passing through this door, there is another living room with a beautiful fireplace. This could also be used as an extra bedroom. An aspect that I would like to highlight about this property is that it has been fully restored from the foundation to the roof, and the restoration took 5 years to be completed. Also, this apartment has its own independent heating system, air conditioned, and it can very well be considered a great turnkey opportunity. Now that we're done with the living areas, let's pass to the master bedroom area. It has this beautiful corridor that lets you access on the right to the bathroom, both with shower and bathtub. And if we keep going, we get to this beautiful master bedroom. This room has some beautiful proportions, and just like every other room, it has this stunning, fully restored and original Venetian floor. From this room, you can hear the sound of the water. In fact, it has this window from which you can see right in the canal. And here we are, ending today's property tour from the beautiful private bridge of this stunning palazzo. I hope you enjoyed this gem, and I will see you next time.